Hello and welcome to Quick Discover Law Journals. I'm your law librarian Susan and I'll be taking you through this session today. Our topic today is finding a law journal. Law journals are printed or online publications that are published at regular intervals and focus on an academic discipline or field such as law, for example the Irish Employment Law Journal. Legal journals have abbreviations. IELJ is the abbreviation for the Irish Employment Law Journal. Let's look for a journal now using OneSearch, and we're going to look for the Irish Employment Law Journal. To find this journal in the library, click on the Library tab in UCD Connect and log in with your UCD Connect username and password. Scroll down and you'll see the different options in the Online Tools page. If you wanted to find this journal electronically, you could click into our e-journals area here. I want to look for this journal to see if we have it in print as well as electronically, so I'm going to click into OneSearch. I'm going to type in the name of the journal, Irish Employment Law Journal, and I'm going to click on search. So the record for the journal will come up here and you can see the title of the journal. So we have this journal in print where it says journal, and we also have it as an electronic or e-journal here. So to find out where exactly this print journal is located in the library, you can click on the map icon here on the right hand side. This will bring up a map for the Irish Employment Law Journal, and you can see that it's bringing up the map for level 2. So there's different levels in the James Joyce Library. So this journal is located on level 2 of the James Joyce Library, and it's in these bays over here. It's at 340 IRI, which is located over near the lake. And to exit the map, you can click on the little X here. So if you're studying or working at home, you might find it more useful to access the journal online. So in that case, you can click onto the full text online link next to the e-journal. This will give you access to Westlaw IE, which gives us access to this electronic journal. And from here, you can actually search through the journal. So you could search for a specific article using the article title search field there, or you could do a search for all the articles written by a particular author. So maybe by Murphy, you could type in Murphy there and do a search, or you could do a search by topic or keyword, so you could look for all the articles within that journal that relate to contract, for example. But I'm going to look and browse through the journal by year here, so I'm going to click into 2020 and see the issues for that year. So there's 2 issues published so far in 2020, issue 1 and issue 2. I'm going to click into issue 2, and it brings up the table of contents for that particular issue of the Irish Employment Law Journal. So you can see there's the editorial firstly, and then you have the different articles listed underneath. So each of the articles will have the title of the article, the name of the journal, the year that it was published in, the volume number, the issue number, and then the page numbers that that specific article is on. So I'm going to click into this particular article. And to see the abstract, you can click on the abstract there, and you can look and read this little summary paragraph of the whole article. That's quite a useful tool to use to decide if you want to go ahead and read the article in full. So to read the article in full, you can click on the full text article here on the left hand side, and that will bring up the article in full, and you can see the author there, subject terms, keywords tagged to that particular article, and you can read through the different sections, so introduction, background, and read through more there. You can use the features up here to print, save or email depending on what you'd like to do. And that's basically how to find a legal journal using OneSearch. And you can use this technique to find any journal you need to via OneSearch. So now you know how to find a legal journal using OneSearch. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, get in touch with us at the library.